Hi all, Rene here again. I am back with the January page for the Cut Above Layout Kit Reasons to Smile calendar kit. I already did the cover, so if you haven't seen that, just look in the listed videos and you'll see the video for that. And I think I might go ahead and just link all the videos below for each of the months. So I'm going to do January next. And like I did with the cover, I have not prepped anything. I'm going to do this completely from scratch so I can see exactly how long it takes to do the whole thing. I'm also going to put the day stickers on the calendar. So I pulled up a 2020 calendar on my computer over here so I can see that the 1st of January is a Wednesday, so we'll know where to start. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'll put some music on for you, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so that's all finished. It took me a half an hour, 30 minutes to do the whole layout. This layout turned out so cute. You'll notice that I messed up right here. This blue was supposed to be underneath this flower, but I think it works right there too. And actually it's supposed to be a place for journaling, but if I don't feel like journaling, I can throw another picture in here, and that'd be 4 pictures. Now, one thing I will point out, if you're putting this together, these measurements are off by a 1/4 inch. So when you put these 2 Carolina blue pieces behind, they need to be another 1/4 inch over from where they are. So this one, I think I may have pushed it over a little too far, but it looks okay. I don't think anyone's gonna notice except for you, because I pointed it out. So that is February, and then I put all January, and then I put all the stickers down for all the days. And I have to tell you, that was so much easier than stamping all those days last year. That took me so long. So I still need to put in all of our events that are going on in January. I usually put down when our recycling days are, because they're weird. They're the 1st and 3rd Wednesday of the month. It's very strange. So I usually put those on here. I'll put birthdays on here. There's a couple of holidays, Martin Luther King Day and New Year's Day. So I will put something on those days to indicate that those are holidays, because I don't have to work those days. Yay! So I think that's everything. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will be back probably pretty shortly to do February, because I'd like to get these all done so you all can see them. This kit is only available through the end of, October. So you need to get it, if you want it, you need to get it by Halloween. And it's also while supplies last. So I don't know, how popular it's going to be, if it's going to sell out. I just can't tell you. So if it is something that you want to do, I would suggest getting it sooner rather than later. So, and it'll be available starting, by the time you see this, it's already available. This will go on sale September 1st and will stay available while supplies last through October 31st. So I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.